Hello everyone, myself Vijay Madhusurthi, SAS Institute of Management. Introduction to Supply Chain Management. Supply chain management encompasses the planning, exclusive, and control of all activities involved in the flow of goods and services, from raw material to end consumer. Definition and importance of the supply chain: increase efficiency, streamline process and reduce waste, cost reduction, optimize inventory level and logistics, enhance customer satisfaction, reliable and timely delivery, improve competitive advantage, flexibility and responsive to market change. Key component of chain supply. First, suppliers provide raw material, component or services. Second, manufacturing transfer raw material into finished goods. Third, warehouse and distribution store and distribution finished goods to customers. Fourth, retailer sell product directly to customers. Supply chain strategic and optimization. Supply chain strategic aim to align operation with business goals while optimize focus on improving efficiency and effectiveness. Lean manufacturing minimize waste and maximize value. Just in time inventory. Align supply chain respond quickly to market change and customer demand, flexibility and speed. Supply chain analytics, data derived decision making for forecasting, planning and optimizing, demand and analysis, performance tracking, demand forecasting and planning. First, historical data, past sale trends and patterns. Market research, consumer preference and industry trends. Strategic models, predicting future demand based on historical data. Fourth, collaboration, sharing information and coding effort across the chain. Inventory management and controls. Inventory planning, determination optical stock level. Second, inventory tracking, monitoring stock level and movements. Third, inventory control, managing stock adjustment and replacement. Fourth, inventory optimization, improving inventory efficiency and minimizing cost. Transportation and logistics. Mode of transportation: road, advantage, flexibility, disadvantage, limited capacity; rail, high capacity, long distance, disadvantage, less flexibility, limited accessibility. Mode of transport: air, advantage, speed, global reach, disadvantage, high cost, limited capacity. Mode of transport: sea, advantage, low cost, high capacity, disadvantage, show weather. Supply chain sustainability and reliance. Modern supply chain priorities sustainability and reliance to address environment concern and disturbance. Environmental responsibility, risk management, collaboration and partnership, digital